In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can compress PDF files. So let's get started. So I have this PDF from here. This is not that big, but its size is 15.7 KB. So let's compress this one. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match, maximize it. Now here in the search bar, simply type small pdf.com. Okay, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. It's smallpdf.com. Hit enter. Okay, scroll down and you'll find the most popular PDF tools, and you can find here compressed PDF. There are also a lot in here, but we need to compress PDF, so we need to go with this one, compressed PDF. And you have here choose files. Click on that and simply choose as to where you have saved it on your Windows. So I saved it in my desktop, so I'm just going to click on open. Okay, let's go with compress button. Okay, there you go. So we have from 16 KB to 11 KB. So this is how you can compress PDF file on your Windows. And if you want to download that PDF file, let's just go with the download button. Okay, now it is downloaded. Just need to open it from here. And that's it. This is not a PDF compressed, okay? So that's how you can easily compress PDF on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.